Dear viewers, I am Mehran Ali and you are watching Mehran TV YouTube channel. This is the second video on history of English literature, and in this second video on history of English literature we will restart history of English literature from Caroline Age, which was started in 1625 and ended in 1649. So let's start this age. This age is named after Charles I, who reigned over England from 1625 to 1649, and Caroline is derived from Carolus, the Latin version of Charles. This age is also a part of Puritan age. 1620 in 1620 this age was started, and in 1660 this Puritan age was ended. Important facts: there was a civil war between Cavaliers and Roundheads. Cavaliers were those who supported king, and the Roundheads were those who supported Parliament. Puritans were most of the people who were Puritans supported Roundheads, and people who supported king were known as Cavaliers, and those who supported Cavaliers were mostly lords and their dependents. A group of lyric poets associated with the Cavalier are called Cavalier poets. Richard Lovelace, Sir John Suckling, Robert Herrick, Thomas Carew were the members of this group. These poets are also called sons of Ben, as they were the follower of Ben Jonson. Their poems are trivial, gay, witty, and licentious. In 1642, English theatre was officially closed. On 14 June 1643, licensing order for printing was passed. The Cavaliers were defeated. The king was caught and publicly beheaded on 30th January 1649. Charles I. His death marked the dissolution of monarchy for the time being. English colonies were further expanded. Oliver Cromwell emerged as a Puritan leader and came to power in 1649. Major works: Donne and Herbert continued writing their metaphysical poetry. Henry Vaughan, Andrew Marvell also wrote metaphysical poetry. John Milton's works, Camus, Lycidas of Education, Areopagitica, and main feature of this age. Literary feature: drama declines significantly. Literature reflects trivial and moral intellectual awakening. Elizabethan enthusiasm and national spirit disappear. Literary scenario is overshadowed by a gloom and pessimism. Critical and intellectual spirit replaces natural outpouring of heart. Renaissance influence continues. Three types of poetry appear: Puritan poetry, metaphysical poetry, and Cavalier poetry. Those who were the supporter of the Cavalier poets appear and disappear. Their straightforwardness, erotic short poems with the motto "Carpe Diem" disappear with them. Sermons, pamphlets, history, and philosophy